In a world where businesses constantly fight for survival in overcrowded markets, the brilliance of Blue Ocean strategy, as articulated by W. Chan Kim and Reni Maubergny, stands as a beacon of hope. This revolutionary concept empowers organizations, leaders, and individuals to break free from competition, redefine market boundaries, and unlock unprecedented growth. It is not just a strategy, it is a way of thinking that transforms limitations into possibilities. Red oceans are existing markets where competitors fight relentlessly over a limited pool of customers. The waters turn red with blood as companies engage in price wars, incremental improvements, and diminishing returns. The result? Overcrowding, stagnation, and frustration. Blue oceans, on the other hand, represent uncontested market spaces, new frontiers where competition is irrelevant because you are creating demand, not sharing it. These oceans are vast, expansive, and full of opportunity for those who are willing to innovate. The authors challenge us to abandon the scarcity mindset of the red oceans and embrace a blue ocean mindset, a mindset rooted in creativity, value creation, and courage. Value innovation breaks this trade-off by delivering exceptional value to customers while eliminating or reducing costs. How to achieve value innovation? Eliminate, identify features that add no value and remove them. Netflix eliminated late fees, a pain point for blockbuster customers. Reduce, lower the cost of elements that are overvalued by the industry. Southwest Airlines reduced frills like in-flight meals and first-class seating. Raise, amplify aspects that customers truly value. Amazon raised delivery speed with its Prime service, setting a new standard for convenience. Create, add innovative elements that customers have never experienced. Uber created app-based ride-hailing, transforming urban transportation. At its core, Blue Ocean strategy is about challenging assumptions, breaking boundaries, and creating opportunities where none existed before. Businesses that embrace this mindset thrive not by competing harder but by thinking smarter. One of the most powerful aspects of Blue Ocean strategy is its ability to reconstruct market boundaries. The 6 parts framework helps businesses think beyond conventional market limitations to uncover new opportunities. Look across alternative industries, solve customer problems better than substitutes. Airbnb positioned itself as a home-sharing alternative to hotels. Look across strategic groups, explore gaps between premium and budget players. Toyota's Lexus offered luxury features at a price below established competitors. Look across buyer groups, shift focus to overlooked decision-makers or end users. Novo Nordisk targeted diabetic patients directly with insulin pens instead of focusing solely on doctors. Look across complementary products and services, solve related problems to enhance the user experience. Apple's iTunes and iPod provided a seamless music solution, making digital downloads simple and legal. Look across functional and emotional appeal, transform purely functional products into emotionally appealing ones, or vice versa. Tesla made electric cars both luxurious, emotional appeal, and highly efficient, functional value. Look across time trends, anticipate and act on trends before competitors do. Netflix recognized the shift to digital streaming years before others. These 6 paths enable businesses to think creatively, identify hidden demand, and leap ahead of competition. Key takeaways for businesses: innovate and lead, stop trying to outperform competitors, focus on creating something entirely new. Focus on value, combine differentiation and cost reduction to deliver superior value to customers. Identify hidden demand, non-customers hold the key to new markets. Find and serve them. Leverage tools, use frameworks like the Strategy Canvas, 4 actions, and 6 paths to uncover blue oceans. Execute relentlessly. Turn strategy into reality by aligning resources, processes, and leadership. Tipping point leadership. Focus resources on high-impact activities to generate momentum quickly. Fair process. Engage employees, explain strategic changes, and set clear expectations for success. Continuous renewal. Blue oceans don't last forever. Businesses must constantly innovate to sustain success. Key challenges addressed by Blue Ocean Strategy. Stagnant innovation. Many businesses remain stuck competing in the same way, leading to a lack of differentiation. Break free of these conventions and explore new market boundaries. Price wars. Competing solely on price erodes profitability and diminishes customer loyalty. Create unique value that customers will pay for, regardless of price. Neglect of non-customers. Traditional markets ignore untapped customers who don't fit the current mold. Focus on non-customers to discover new sources of demand. Lack of purpose. Businesses often focus on winning rather than creating. Align innovation with purpose and value creation to inspire customers and employees alike. Blue Ocean thinkers focus on innovation that serves new or underserved needs. Practical scenarios. A fitness company launches a revolutionary virtual reality fitness experience instead of competing with traditional gyms. By creating a hybrid fitness entertainment product, they attract tech-savvy, home-based users. A budget airline like Southwest Airlines eliminates costly features like meals and baggage fees while raising punctuality and low prices. Companies can apply this principle internally by reducing redundant meetings, increasing creative brainstorming time, and creating cross-functional team collaborations. Reduce unnecessary features that increase costs. Example, eliminating printed tickets in airlines. Reduce lower investment in areas overserved. Example, premium services not valued by budget customers. Improve areas customers value most. Example, punctuality and on-time performance. Introduce entirely new services or experiences. Example, Airbnb created a market for home sharing. Emotional intelligence, EI, aligns perfectly with Blue Ocean thinking. Leaders need self-awareness, empathy, and relationship management to identify unmet customer needs and inspire their teams to innovate. Psychological safety, where employees feel safe to share ideas, is a precondition for value innovation. Fear of failure leads to red ocean stagnation. Foster brainstorming sessions where every voice matters. Reward attempts to innovate, even if they fail. Pixar fosters psychological safety through brain trust meetings, where team members critique films candidly without hierarchy or fear. Inspire teams to focus on meaningful innovation. Align individual tasks with the bigger vision of creating something new and valuable. Aligning personal KPIs to innovation, employees rewarded not just for hitting sales targets but for proposing process improvements. Blue oceans are not permanent, competitors will enter. Innovators must continue evolving. Embed continuous innovation into the company culture. Apple didn't stop with the iPod, it evolved into iTunes, iPhone, and the App Store, continuously redefining markets. You don't need to outcompete others, you need to outthink yourself. Execution is where most strategies fail. Blue Ocean Strategy provides tools to ensure successful implementation. Tipping point leadership, focus on activities with the greatest impact using minimal resources. Fair process, engage employees by involving them in strategy, explaining decisions, and setting clear expectations. Key steps for execution. Communicate the vision clearly to all stakeholders. Align resources with the new strategy. Monitor progress and adapt based on results. Blue Ocean Strategy is more than a business approach, it's a call to embrace creativity, courage, and innovation in every aspect of life. It challenges us to look beyond what exists and ask, what value can I create? What problems can I solve? How can I inspire others to think differently? In a world where competition is the norm, those who dare to create their own oceans are the ones who redefine industries, impact lives, and leave a lasting legacy.